Welcome back to What We Eating, Kato. Get dessert. I usually have a sweet tooth, but I was craving some cookies. We got sugar cookie, snickerdoodle cookie, pumpkin spice. For this is the Scout stuffed cookie. We're gonna try this one last. Can't forget the glass of milk. Got the sugar cookie. What you expect from a sugar cookie? Guys like a sugar cookie. 7 out of 10. Dip her in some milk. Let's go. Next, we're trying the pumpkin spice. This one's a little hard. Let's try it out. Okay. Not a big pumpkin person, so 5 out of 10. Break time. This snickerdoodle. I like this one better than the pumpkin spice. Now, the one we've all been waiting for, the Scout cookie. Got the bag. Look at his beauty. Take a little piece. Wow, and stuff. The consistency is like a chip ahoy. This is my best one out of the 4 I tasted. It was a little pricier, but it was worth it. Overall, I'll give our Appalachia Mountain, Cake Cookie Company. I don't know if we got the cookies at 2 in the morning, but so far I gave you guys like a 6 out of 10. Not too bad. I like it. Milk. Dip it in milk. Dip it in milk.